Okay. Thread count selects how many Chrome windows are going to be open at the same time. So there's going to be 4 different windows, each scraping their own page. And we're going to scrape 5 pages from the Neurofunk. We're going to start on page 1, and we'll run it in non-headless mode. Non-headless mode means it's going to actually open the window so you can see what's happening. And we're going to save it into the descrape, but it's going to create the folder Neurofunk Dark underscore 164 inside of that folder, this folder. Now it's going to be a max of 50 downloads at once. So here we go. First it logs in, creates a shared cookie so that the others will now be able to log in with one login instance. Now all of these pages have already been scraped. As you can see, they're duplicates. So it's going to skip all over them. Now it's going to use post requests for the downloads. It actually doesn't need the Chrome for this part. So now it's just getting the files. As you can see, if it already has the file, it's going to skip it and move on to the next one. If it's the wrong format, it's going to skip it and move on to the next one, only downloading MP3s as a valid file to download. So we have 425 files queued up. And as you can see there at the bottom, it says links scraped, links skipped, files downloaded, files skipped, folder size. So we've already downloaded 75 files. I'm sorry, 130 files. So as you see, the database is locked. Sometimes it's reading and writing a little bit too fast, so I'll need to adjust the timings on that. But it works really fucking good. Yeah, we could just hide the console if we want. But yeah, so this will just run. And what's really cool about this thread count is if you see the number available to you, that means that your PC can run those options. It'll go all the way up to 32 threads as long as your PC has 32 threads. If it doesn't, you can't run it. Obviously, the more threads you have, the more intense it's going to be on actually using your CPU. So less threads means less strain, but it's more work overall. But 4 should be plenty. Where it really matters is the max downloads. If you crank this up to like 150, it'll go really fucking fast. But as you can see, here we are. It's only been like 3 minutes since I started this, and we're at like 300 songs downloaded. So it's pretty damn good. And like I said, it remembers things. So the next time you open up the page, or the program, I mean, it'll remember all the settings you've last had, right? And it also remembers which links it's already downloaded, which links it's already scraped. So you will never get duplicate links or duplicate downloads in the same folders. And right there, it stopped. As you can see, we downloaded 128 songs because a lot of them were duplicates and skipped. So we skipped 183 tracks. And so yeah, very quick, very fast, very easy. This is obviously for educational purposes. It's meant to show how we can interact with websites automated and be able to automate other things like downloading files and using post requests to get the files. And so if you are interested in using this software, if this video gets like drums up likes and comments and people are actually genuinely curious and would like to try this out, I'm more than willing to create a public repo on GitHub where people could download a Windows executable and be able to run this on any Windows PC, to be able to just mass download as many songs as you want from edmc.to. Yeah, so if you're interested, tell me why and tell me if you're down. I don't know. Yeah, other than that, I hope you guys have a good day, and I hope you enjoyed checking out my little project here.